Can I share my screen?
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, let me stop presenting this.
Let's open to share the screen.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
I think this is the present now. Is the option.
You are not sharing this.
Entire screen.
Okay, guys, any other doubts? Okay.
Share the screen. Then this here.
Nikita, can you please mute?
Yes.
Okay.
So now I'm sharing my screen. So like thing is that I created one calculated field where case in action type I have three things: ABC, XYZ, and Nikki. With ABC and XYZ are numerical fields. So I want here as per suffix as percentage, or when XYZ then it's 20, and here I want suffix as percentage, and when then there is Nikki, then I want the suffix as days.
Oh, so in the format change for each one of this. The suffix should be percentage is for these two, and number days. Suffix as you need to suffix as a days.
Yes.
Then it will no longer be a measure, it will be a dimension, right? If you have suffix as days. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay, sure, sir.
Yeah, please stop sharing.
Yes.
So, coming to the point, you want one that we created. Let me delete all these parameters. Okay, now you want to create a parameter. In this, it is sales, and the other is profit ratio. Now, if this is my parameter, then we don't have profit ratio here. So let me try that calculation for sum of profit, then this is profit ratio. Profit ratio. Okay. Now let me write my calculation when sorry. If parameter 1 is equal to 6, then 6, else profit. Sum of 6. I'm bringing this calculation here, and okay, you want that in a text table, right?
Can you please repeat, sir?
No, you want it in a text table, right?
Yeah, no, I want on text, but in my case, like there is three fields. So when I hover over on, so one when I'm changing is like on two are in percentage and one in days.
I got it. I
So,
got it. No, no. See, my point is, what is your table? Is it a text table or what?
yes,
It is a text table, right?
yes.
Okay. So see, in text table you have one advantage. That is, here you are having your text, right? Now I am duplicating the same calculation and edit here. I am just writing here. Here my string will be this, and here it will be percentage. Okay, and now apply. Okay, and I'm bringing this calculation one copy into text, right? I'm going into my text here. Rather than having this, first I will have my calculation in here, right? And I'll have some space, apply. Now let me increase the size or let me fit it. Now you see, I'm getting days when it is sales, I'm getting sales in days. When it is profit ratio, I'm getting the value in percentage. Okay?
So, sir, can you please repeat this? Like, what parameter you made for this? Actually, I missed something.
You can create this parameter. I just
Okay.
created a parameter and on that I wrote this calculation.
Sir, can you please show me the parameter again so I can take the picture?
You can get this workbook later. I'll publish this to my Tableau public profile, so you'll have this in hand. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And